Filming is going.
Wait till Mommy goes.
I'm getting nominated. Jessica.
I was nominated by Carm Brucati, and I accept this challenge. And I am going to nominate Kelly Laschek, Elizabeth Allen, and Ellie Schuff. Go ahead, buddy.
I'm getting nominated Jessica. And
Jessica who?
Jessica Hennessy and no one showed it.
What's their last name? Okay, Mac, who are you nominating?
Daddy!
Rocky Horn.
I'm getting
Daddy, and who else?
Trayson Wales.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy's gonna go first.
Yeah, go.
Ready? Here, hold my sunglasses.
Back up.
Come on.
No, it feels good.
Go ahead,
Go
guys.
really
Come on.
quick. It feels really good. Come on, go. Yeah, it feels really good. Just do it quick. Don't think about it. There you go. Okay, go, Mac.